Hello family and welcome back to our channel. Today we are coming with another dollar store DIY. I would like to share with you all how I made these canvas photos from items I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So if you like what you see, please continue watching. Okay family, the items that we will need are a paintbrush, Mod Podge, acrylic paint. You can also use the black paint at the Dollar Tree. A canvas of any size. They have all sizes at the Dollar Tree. The size I chose was the 8 by 10. A photo of any size. I chose the 8 by 10 so I could match the canvas, and I got these printed off at my neighborhood Walgreens, and the total cost was $1 because I had a 40% off discount code, and I will leave that in the description box below. And you will also need now what we're going to do first is take our canvas and we're just going to take it out the plastic. If I could get it out. If y'all would like to know the barcode number, here it goes. And family, this is a good quality canvas. For it to be at the Dollar Tree, it's very, very firm. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my acrylic paint and I'm going to paint the outside, the borders, black. Now I am done with the trimming part. The acrylic paint does dry really fast, so I am just going to let it sit for about a half an hour just to make sure it's fully dry, and then we're going to go to the next step. Now that it's all dry, I'm going to go ahead and take my Mod Podge, and I'm just going to put a nice layer of Mod Podge on top of the canvas. And try not to have no bubbles because the bubbles will show up in the photo once you put the photo on. So try to smooth it out as much as possible. Now I like to go back and put some extra Mod Podge on the corners because I don't want to see no lifting at all. But Mod Podge is some really strong glue, so it should not lift. But just for my own conscience sake, I like to put extra Mod Podge on the edges. So now I'm going to take my photo of my handsome son. I'm just going to place it on top of the canvas. Oh. Next I'm going to turn it around, lay it flat, and smooth it out. Just like so. Make sure it's all smooth. Look like that. Alright, now I'm going to take my Mod Podge again, and I'm just going to put it on top of the photo and smooth it out. smoothing out the lines. And do not worry, Mod Podge does dry clear, so you're not going to see this fogginess. And I'm going to let this sit for about an hour. Alright family, now that it's all dry, and see how the photo came out. Oh, I just love it. So now I'm just going to take the diamond wrap and my hot glue gun. Alright family, and this is the finished look. That is all family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a part of our family. Until next week, be blessed.